Point number 2. Bible says in Genesis chapter number 1, verse 3 and 5. Light was created on first day. Genesis chapter 1, verse 14 to 19. The cause of light, stars, and the sun, etc., was created on fourth day. How can the cause of light be created on the fourth day later than the light which came into existence on the first day? It's unscientific.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Salam al-Muslim, inshallah, mashallah, subhanallah. Dear Dr. Zakir Naik bhai, assalamu alaikum. Please correct your clear mistake. You said the Torah is wrong when it says that light was created on the first day of creation and sun and stars were created on the fourth day of creation. You said, how could light come before sun and stars, which are the sources of light? Big Bang Theory is according to Qur'an and Torah. According to the Big Bang Theory, which happened 13.7 billion years ago, light appeared immediately after the Big Bang, but first star appeared 400 million years later. Please see the concept of Big Bang in the diagram. Torah, Qur'an and science gave the same message. Therefore, Torah is not wrong, but Torah is right. The Holy Qur'an also says that light was created first and then sun was created. Holy Qur'an, Surah Al-An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 1 says, all praise to Allah who created heavens and the earth and made the darkness and the light. Surah Hud 11, verse number 7, He it is who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and his throne had been upon water. Torah in Genesis chapter number 1, verse number 1 to 5 says that in the beginning when God created the heavens and the earth was formless and desolate. The raging ocean that covered everything was engulfed in total darkness, and the Spirit of God was moving over the water. Then God commanded, let there be light, and light appeared. God was pleased with what he saw. Then he separated the light from the darkness, and he named the light day and the night darkness. Evening passed and morning came. That was the first day. On the fourth day, in verse number 16, God created sun, moon, and stars. The Quran also mentions the creation of day and night before the creation of the sun, just like the Bible. Holy Quran, Surah Al-Anbiya, verse number 21, Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 33. And he it is who created the heavens and the night, and he it is who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. So the Holy Quran also speaks first of the creation of night and day, and then the creation of sun and moon. Therefore, no Muslim, including Dr. Zakir Naik, has the right to object to this verse of the Bible by saying that the cause of light, the sun was created on the fourth day. So how light was created on the first day? This objection will also be raised against the Quran, saying, how did Allah create night and day before the creation of the sun? It is written in the Quran that in the beginning Allah's throne was on water, and it is written in the Bible that in the beginning God's Spirit was on the water. The source of light from sun is mainly hydrogen. Hydrogen was present in the water before creation of sun and stars. So Bible is right in saying that light was created on the first day of the creation. Dear Dr. Zakir Naik, please accept your mistake in public because you had criticized the Torah in public.